Wow, it's like -5 out. It's pretty damn cold. We want to try and get out to this old water tower and try a master shot. Whoa, should have brought my gloves. Yeah, today we're gonna put up the DJI FLIP and try a master shot on this water tower. This is probably one of my most favorite spots to fly, and hopefully we get a nice shot. Look at all the Canada geese. Wow. Lots of Canada geese going over. Okay, let's get her in the air. Okay, I think we're gonna do a hand launch here. So let's we're gonna actually, for master shots, I'm not sure. I don't think you can do 4K 60. We'll leave that at 4K 30. Let's record the screen. Okay. Fly up there first.
you.